Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix print spooler keeps stopping when printing Word documents in Windows 11. First method is change print spooler service to automatic. Second method is repair Microsoft Office. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.